Hello guys, you're welcome to another YouTube tutorial. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to verify your AdSense pin on Google and also some important information you need to know to get your AdSense pin delivered fast. A lot of us get to request for the AdSense pin and we eventually wait months. Sometimes we even get to request multiple times because the first time we requested it, it was not delivered or we did not receive it. So just pay attention and I'll be revealing the details you need to know for your process to go very smooth. Alright, so I'm based in Nigeria and when I requested for this pin, it took me 6 weeks to receive my AdSense pin from Google. It took me 6 weeks. So if you wish to receive your pin faster, the very first thing you must know is ensure to fill your home address correctly. Don't do mistake. Put in the right number, the right home address number, and your street or estate, whatever you're living in. And most importantly, there's a part where you get to fill a postal address. Ensure you fill that correctly. And once you fill that, 4 weeks after you requested for the pin, make sure you visit that postal address or that post office address to know if your pin has been delivered. You don't have to sit back at home and expect them to deliver it to your doorstep. And if you get there and you've not received it, just ensure to exchange number with anybody you meet there so that I can always make inquiry to know when it arrives, so that I don't keep visiting the place every time. But eventually, if the place is far away from your home, do you understand? So these are the important things you need to know. So let's get into why we are here. So I'll be showing you how to fill your pin on Google, how to fill in your pin on Google. So an AdSense pin is a pin sent from Google to verify you are the real owner of your YouTube account. Like, they want to know if you are real, if you are not a robot. Do you understand? They want to know if you are real. So this pin is used to verify your address on Google AdSense. So without the verification, you won't be able to earn on YouTube. You won't be able to earn on YouTube. I guess you can see what's showing on my screen right here. So my pending has been on hold because I have not verified my home address on Google AdSense. But the good thing is, YouTube usually give creator the grace of 4 months to verify your address before your monetization is revoked. So if probably after 6 weeks you did not receive this pin, you visited the post office and you didn't receive the pin, ensure to request for it again. Just go ahead and request for it again. You don't want to wait till 4 months so that you don't get to lose your channel. So after 6 weeks, just request for a new pin from Google. So if you are new on my channel, you are welcome to this channel. My name is Charles Chinoso and I talk about ways you can make money online. So do well to like this video, drop a comment and subscribe to this channel if you are getting value from me. So to verify your address, just go to your Chrome browser and log into your Google AdSense. Just go to your Chrome browser and log into your Google AdSense. So after logging in, you'll be welcome with this interface. So I guess you can see the interface right here. So right here, I have accumulated about $50 plus as a young YouTuber, as a small YouTube channel. These are the humble beginnings. The threshold for receiving payments on YouTube is $100. But regardless, I won't be able to receive that payment if I don't verify my address. That is why they wrote payments are on hold, because you need to verify your address. So to verify your address on Google AdSense, just click on the action button right here. It's just simple. Just follow this step. Click on the action button right here. Once you click that, it will bring you to this interface. So you can see right here we have identity verification completed, and over here we have address verification needs attention. So right here you have to put in the 6-digit code on the AdSense letter you received from YouTube. Put in the pin you received from YouTube, and once you are done filling in that pin, just go ahead and click submit. So let me go ahead and do mine. So 080. So you can see I'm done with mine now. So once you are done over there, it means you have been able to successfully submitted your AdSense pin. You have been able to successfully verify your address on Google AdSense. So you can see now that with just a few clicks, I have been able to verify my address on Google, and address verification is now showing successful right here. So guys, this is how you get to verify your address on Google AdSense. So if you got value from this video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and also drop your comments in the comment section. And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, make sure you subscribe to this channel and turn on your notification bell so that anytime I upload videos like this, you'll be the first to get notified. I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Bye.